Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer TRX from Coinbase to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to secure your TRX tokens in a hardware wallet like Tangem for better safety, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have both your Coinbase account set up and your Tangem wallet ready to go. If you haven't already, download the Tangem app on your phone and connect your wallet device. It's super important because this is where your TRX will end up. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Open the app or website and head to your dashboard. Find your TRX balance. It's usually under the Assets tab. If you don't see TRX, you might need to search for it or ensure it's in your portfolio. Next, grab your Tangem wallet address. Open the Tangem app, select your wallet, and navigate to the Receive section. This will generate a unique TRX address. Copy it carefully. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so no typos allowed. Now, back to Coinbase. Go to the Send or Withdraw option for your TRX. Paste the Tangem wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check the amount you want to transfer. Start small if you're new to this to test the waters. Also, keep an eye on any network fees. TRX uses the Tron network, so fees are usually low. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so review everything one last time. Once you approve it, the transfer should process quickly, often in minutes. Finally, hop back to your Tangem app and refresh your balance. You should see your TRX appear shortly. Congrats! You've successfully moved your tokens to a more secure spot. And that's it, folks. Transferring TRX is easier than you might think, but always prioritize security. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.